Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that just tap here on the sounds and vibration section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. Now just to mute your device ringtone, you should swipe this white dot to the left side with your finger, and that's it. Also, we had a second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that here in volume button function you have selected the ringtone. So if you have selected media, switch it to the ringtone, and after that just by press to down volume button you can also mute your device ringtone. And we can do it also with our finger just by swipe to the down this volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.